Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Well, this is a very easy thing to do. You can do the same stuff over WhatsApp and with business WhatsApp too. So on the top right side corner you will see the three dots, tap on it, go to the settings of your phone, and here you will get this option of privacy. So here you can see in the privacy section you will find the option of read receipts. So here if you just turn this off, then everybody will not able to know that whether you came online and when you went offline, right? So it will be completely show that you are offline. There will be no blue tick marks, neither you won't be able to read any blue tick marks, right? So this is the only way where to appear offline in WhatsApp completely. I hope you found this video very useful. And one more thing, last seen online, just click on this and select nobody. So nobody will identify that when you came online and offline, right? So here you can just change all the settings, but these are the two main one which I shown you depending upon your requirement. So make sure to like this video, subscribe.